Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Steam games not launching. Chapter 1. Fix error Steam games not launching, checking the integrity of the game. To start, open Steam. After that, right-click on the game, select Properties. Here, under Installed Files, click on Verify the integrity of the game files. Now just wait for this process to finish. Chapter 2. Fix error Steam games not launching, updating drivers. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Device Manager. Right-click on the display driver and network adapters and click Update Driver. After that, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to finish. Chapter 3. Fix error Steam games not launching, releasing Steam cache. To start, close the Steam application. Then right-click on the Start menu, select Run. In the window, enter the command steam:/flushconfig/. Click on OK. After this, open Steam. Chapter 4. Fix error Steam games not launching, reinstalling the game. To start, open Steam. After that, right-click on the game. Here in Manage, click on Uninstall. Confirm this process. After that, click on Install. Define where it will be installed and settings, click Install and wait for it to be installed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. Fix error Steam games not launching using compatibility mode. To start, open Steam. After that, right-click on the game. Here in Manage, click on Browse Local Files. After this, right-click on the executable and click on Properties. Now in the Compatibility tab, activate the boxes you see on the screen. After this, click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. Here it is possible to interact with the wizard to fix the error. After this, click Apply and OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.